I'm Robbie with United by Trucks, and today I'm announcing our new parts company, Gassin Supply Co. I'm glad you're here, and I'm glad to tell you about these parts that we have on the table, plus many more coming to our website, GassinSupply.com. So not only will we have QA1, Tinworks, Boyd Welding, Auto Metal Direct, and many more as dealers, we're actually manufacturing some of our own parts for you DIY guys at home who are ready to have quality, value right at your fingertips. For example, we've got our new Gassin Supply battery box ready for your Group 34 battery. We've got air compressor brackets for Vi-Air compressors. We've got your Terminator Max ECU mounts. So not only do we have our steel parts that we're going to be making and some that are CNC'd out of aluminum billet that are not displayed here on this table, we've got some 3D printed parts like our exhaust port block-offs for the LS motor. We've got some other parts that you can see here that are prototypes that will be CNC'd and made out of billet. We've got your Gen 3 LS mounts for the ECU. We've got 3.5-inch LCD screen mounts for Holley, and we've got many more products coming. So head over to GassinSupply.com, check out what we've got to offer. We appreciate all the support and look forward to helping you guys with your parts for your build.